Top 6 Crypto Bankruptcies of 2022 and 2023. Number 1, Genesis, deficit $3.4 billion. Genesis, a subsidiary of Digital Currency Group, lost a lot of money with Three Arrows Capital, 3AC, a crypto hedge fund that filed bankruptcy in June 2022. Number 2, Three Arrows Capital, deficit $3.5 billion, filed Chapter 15 bankruptcy in July 2022. One of the largest crypto hedge funds, 3AC managed almost $10 billion. Bear market liquidity crises caused the fund's bankruptcy. USDera, a popular stablecoin, caused its failure. The project collapsed after 3AC invested $500 million. Due to BTC and ETH price drops, 3AC liquidated leveraged DeFi protocol positions. The bankruptcy affected Blockchain.com, Voyager Digital, Genesis, and BlockFi, which had lent the firm money. Number 3, BlockFi, deficit $1.3 billion. BlockFi declared Chapter 11 bankruptcy in November 2022. The company filed for bankruptcy after FTX collapsed the same month. BlockFi unexpectedly reported owing $275 million to FTX US and lending over $1 billion of clients' funds to FTX and Alameda. BlockFi had $257 million in cash and owed $1.3 billion to its 50 largest creditors. Number 4, Core Scientific, deficit $1.3 billion. Core Scientific, a major Bitcoin miner, filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in December 2022. In 2022, Bitcoin's price plummeted, making Core Scientific's mining unprofitable. The publicly traded company lost hundreds of millions of dollars before filing for bankruptcy. Core Scientific reported $1.3 billion in liabilities to 1,000 to 5,000 creditors. Core Scientific owes most of its debt to institutional investors. Despite bankruptcy, Core Scientific still mines Bitcoin. It's responsible for 10% of the Bitcoin network's computing power. Number 5, Voyager Digital, deficit $1.3 billion, filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy in July 2022. Voyager, a U.S. crypto exchange, collapsed after 3AC defaulted on $660 million. The platform halted withdrawals at the start of July but promised to continue operations. The exchange used $75 million of Alameda Research's 15,000 BTC revolving loan to offset 3AC's unrepayable debts. Voyager lost hope of recovering the $660 million after 3AC filed for bankruptcy. The exchange owes 100,000 creditors over $1.3 billion. Number 6, Celsius Network, deficit $1.2 billion, filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy in June 2022. Due to a liquidity crisis caused by the crypto bear market, Celsius, a crypto lending and staking platform, went bankrupt. The Luna UST crash made Celsius's situation worse. The community first noticed trouble when the firm abruptly halted all user withdrawals and transferred millions of dollars from Aave to FTX. Celsius had a lot of liquidated DeFi positions due to the bear market. Celsius's lack of risk hedging made matters worse. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe.